Welcome back to the Quarantine Kitchen Cooking Challenge. Today, I'm going to show you how I start my day, which is always with coffee. First, lemon water, because that cleanses the liver, but after I have my lemon water, I make my version of bulletproof coffee. And I'm not big on trends. I really can't stand trends and fads, but when the bulletproof coffee came about, I don't know, it might have been 10 years ago, I looked into it. I saw some things I liked about it, and I made it my own, okay? So this is what I do, and you're welcome to amend it any way you like. But in the beaker here is, I like strong coffee, espresso blended with unsweetened almond milk, and this is heated. And then for the fat, I add a little bit, like maybe this much coconut oil. I don't do butter, it's just a personal choice. I don't do a lot of fat. Because this is really enough. You don't need a ton of it. For sweetener, if you like it sweetened, I use monk fruit or stevia powder because there's no glycemic spike with it. And this is what really packs the punch, is the collagen protein. 1 scoop has 10 grams of protein, and it's a really great sustaining way to get your coffee in and make it somewhat sustaining and nutritious. So here we go. Just a few seconds. Then we pour. You'll see just from that little bit of blending how frothy this is in the Vitamix. It's absolutely delicious. A great way to start the day. Isn't that the truth? Yoga is love. And by the way, do you like my bed head? It's qued head, combination of quarantine head and bed head, because I just got up. But also, a few little items from the fridge I'm going to be using. I make big batches of vegetable soup so I can have them when I need them. This is cream of cauliflower soup, made only with steamed cauliflower and stock. This is cream of brown rice, which I'm going to have later, cereal. And I always save coffee because I do like to bake. And I'm making Chef Bill a birthday cake. It's his birthday tomorrow. He loves chocolate cake. So when you make a chocolate cake, forget about using water in the recipe. Coffee instead, okay? It'll just blow your mind. So that's it. That's my Friday tip. Hope you have a great weekend and give this a try. Bon appetit.